It's as easy as 1, 2, 3. It's the You Buy, We Pay event going on right now at Interstate West Monroe. Hi, folks. This is John Kleigholz. Buy a new Dodge, Chrysler, or Jeep, and we'll pay your first month's payment, your first 2 months insurance, and we'll pay your first 3 months gas. Folks, that's on our huge new vehicle inventory. Everything but SRT 8s and heavy duties. New 2010 Ram Quad Cab SLT, just $299 a month for 72 months. That's right, folks. Buy a new Dodge, Chrysler, or Jeep, and we'll pay your first month's payment, we'll pay your first 2 months insurance, and we'll pay your first 3 months gas. Car buying is easy 24/7 at InterstateDodge.com. But You Buy, We Pay is for a limited time only at Interstate Dodge, Chrysler, Jeep in West Monroe.
GMAC payments made to appropriate creditors. Next 500 note, next 300 monthly insurance. Prepaid gas card based on sticker annualized fuel cost at 15,000 miles per year at current gas price of $2.60 per gallon. Ram stock 64470 at 3,000 down, 3.95 APR plus PPL. Legal deposit. Vehicle purchase than MSRP.